Breaking news. A Wisconsin judge was arrested today for allegedly aiding a gang member in evading law enforcement. The judge is accused of misleading ICE agents to prevent the arrest. The case has sent shockwaves through the community and raised questions about the integrity of the judicial system. The judge, whose name has not been released, was taken into custody this morning. Authorities allege that the judge provided false information to ICE agents, allowing the gang member to evade capture. The investigation is ongoing and more details are expected to emerge in the coming days. The story began in late 2023 when Ortega Lopez entered the United States illegally. He was apprehended by Border Patrol, but released shortly after due to overcrowding. He then made his way to Las Cruces, New Mexico. Ortega Lopez began doing odd jobs in the area. In April 2024, when he was facing eviction, he was offered a place to stay in a guest house. It was believed that Ortega Lopez was pursuing legal immigration status. However, authorities allege that he was aware of his illegal status and his alleged gang affiliation. In January 2025, an anonymous tip alerted Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, to Ortega Lopez's presence at the residence. ICE raided the home in February 2025 and apprehended Ortega Lopez. They also seized 4 firearms, further deepening the suspicion surrounding the case. The backdrop of heightened immigration enforcement under the Trump administration. The administration has made cracking down on illegal immigration a cornerstone of its agenda, implementing controversial policies and increasing deportations. One of the most contentious aspects of the Trump administration's immigration policy has been its use of the Alien Enemies Act. This World War II-era law grants the government broad powers to detain and deport non-citizens deemed a threat to national security. Critics argue that the administration has abused this power, targeting individuals with little to no evidence of wrongdoing. The administration has defended its actions, arguing that it is simply enforcing the law and protecting the country from dangerous individuals. They point to the rise of transnational gangs like Trendy Aragua as evidence of the need for strong immigration enforcement measures. The case is still unfolding, and it remains to be seen whether the accused will be found guilty of harboring a known criminal. The charges are serious, and if convicted, they could face significant prison time. The case has ignited a fierce debate about immigration, the rule of law, and the limits of compassion. Supporters argue that the accused were motivated by humanitarian concerns and should not be punished for trying to help someone in need. Opponents counter that their actions, regardless of intent, put the community at risk and undermine the rule of law. The outcome of this case will likely have far-reaching implications for immigration policy and enforcement in the United States. It is a stark reminder of the complexities and sensitivities surrounding immigration, an issue that continues to divide the nation.